After slaying 3 sleeping men at Kwakta on August 5, Kuki militants continue to terrorize Meitei villages by opening fire towards farmers at Phubala, Bishnupur district this morning. On the other hand, Kuki militants have built bunkers in some abandoned houses of Meitei Pangals at Kwakta, Ward number 8. According to information culled from the spot, Meitei farmers who went to Phubala manning local paddy fields to tend to paddy plants were fired upon by Kuki militants at around 6 a.m. yesterday. Earlier, Kuki militants had attacked farmers in 2-3 instances at the same place. The paddy fields are located at the foothills of a high canal. Troops of BSF and Sikh regiment are stationed not far away from the area. BSF troops are guarding Meitei villages on the lower side of the high canal, whereas troops of Sikh regiment have been guarding Kuki villages of the high canal.